Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are looking at how we can install the Adobe Creative Cloud on your desktop or laptop. So in order to begin, we'll just open up the browser. You can use any of the desired browser that you have. It works for Chrome or any other browser that you have. For now, I'm using Brave. So once you're on your browser, you have to go on the search bar and type in download Adobe Creative Cloud. And once you have this, you can just go and search. And you can see all these results here. What you like to do is select the first result, and it's like help.adobe.com. So you can choose this one. I will leave the link of this page in the description so you can easily find it. This page, you can see this the first step. It is to go to the Creative Cloud download page. So we'll click on the blue text saying Creative Cloud download page. And now it will see, you can see the download has already started. We can click on save. So once the download is completed, you can click on it. Now we can see it asks for some authentication. So we're gonna click on continue and type in the pin. And now it's going to take some time to load. And once this loading is completed, it will ask you to log into your account. And that's how you can easily install the Adobe Creative Cloud on your laptop or your PC. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.